Nash, Lacey, you got a gift. What's in there, Nash? Look. Lacey, look. It's a baby Einstein toy. This is pretty cool. I guess we gotta put some batteries in there. We gotta put some batteries in there. Yeah, it's got little buttons and a spinny thing. Putting the batteries in. There we go. I'll put it in all the time. Nash, that's the screwdriver. All right, monkeys. We're gonna learn some animals here.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. What's this?
Tiger.
Tiger. Lacey, you know this one for sure. Oh, no, you don't want to learn.
Bird.
It's a bird. What's that one? A tiger.
Frog.
A frog.
Octopus.
Octopus. We want to learn Spanish today? Elefante. All right, what about octopus?
Pulpo.
Ompo. Ompo? Lacey's like, stop it. Nash, what's this one?
Frog.
Oh my gosh, okay.